My name is Joe Bauer. I'm 74 years old. I have an excavating business here, and I live in Pipersville. So we still go constantly to our doctors to be checked up either once a year or every 6 months. And Dr. Rao is every 6 months. And then the last checkup, he says that my aneurysm was starting to get enlarged, and he didn't like the looks of it. And he said, it's not going to get better, it's going to get worse.
Much of the complexity arises because the fact that he's had the prior repair compounded with the location or anatomic factors involved.
And that's when he set me in the room. He says, I want you to come in and sit down. I want to talk to you. And with that, he laid a picture out and showed me what had to be done. He said, this is not going to be an easy operation. It's one of the harsh ones we do here at Doylestown. It's going to be a lengthy one. He said, but it needs to be done. What do you want to do? I said, let's do it.
Even at age 74, he was a vibrant 74, still working. He was fit for an open surgery. And so I had a frank discussion with him about that, and we both agreed that let's do the definitive surgery. What his procedure specifically involved was removing the old stent graft and sewing in its place a surgical graft, which basically looks like a pair of pants.
And he operated so I would be totally cleaned up, ready to go, and all the doctors released me, and we went to Florida, and we had a beautiful vacation. Came back, everybody checked me again, and they all turned around, especially Dr. Renee, and she says, you look better now than you did 5 years ago. That's the best I've felt in probably 15 years.
I think Joe represents the Doylestown community. He's a hardworking guy who is very vibrant, but unfortunately had a medical problem that was astutely picked up. But there's a joy knowing that we've prevented something. This could have been my cousin, or my uncle, or my mother, or my father, or my wife, or my children. And to be able to give somebody else that sense of comfort and their families a sense of comfort, it's overwhelming.